Okay, what we are doing when we requesting this route, the route is going to this controller and this index method. Let's go to the controller. Controller is loading this index method and this echo dashboard. Let's see. Okay, let's move on to view our views. So we can say return, then a method like view, then we can say we have to load index. So how we can implement it? Let's make a method here, then we will move it in the helpers function. So in this function we are accepting actually two parameters. One is this index, another is when we have a variable with some data, we can pass it like data and this data, this way. Okay, so we can take it here like view, then data, but now data is null, so we can put the null, then we can say require, then views, what is the folder name, views, then slash the view, then dot php. Let's see if our this index view showing or not. Let's reload the page. Okay, something is wrong. Views index, okay, the name is different. You see the name index.view, so we can say index.view.php. so it's showing. Okay, let's make other requests, like we can say posts view. So let's make the routes name is posts and it will show all posts. So okay, not this one, because we will show all posts, yeah, in the posts view. Okay, posts, we can say all posts. Let's make a method in the dashboard controller and let's say all posts. Here it will be posts, I think. Let's see if we get it or not, posts, and in the nav we have the posts or not. Okay, let's remove the PHP and reload the page and let's see it's working or not. Yeah, it's perfectly working. Let's make this one add post. Where is the add post? In the posts view we have add post and the request is post slash create. Let's make a routes call post slash create. It will be create method. Let's go to the controller and make the create. Let's see it's working or not. Yeah, it's working. And what we have now, let's view the posts and let's go to the route and let's that's when we can say where is the view it the posts view. We have should button here. This is the posts view. Let's make it here posts view and should be view. Let's make it view. Let's see we have the view or not. No, we have the show, not view. Return show, show, show. Okay, then we can say it show. Okay. Something went wrong. Method dashboard show undefined. Show method not existed. Okay, this is the show. Let's reload, and yep, it's working. And let's click on the edit. Where is the edit? Let's see. We have posts edit here. Click on the routes, get post edit, should be edit here. Make a method call edit, and this should be also edit.view edit. Yeah, it's working. And another thing is delete. Where is the delete list? Delete should be post method. Let's make a call sorry, not here, should be here, should be posts, and should be delete, and the delete here. Nothing should be returned, just echo here, echo deleted. We'll make it later. Let's check that out. Yep, it's echoing.